In this video, we listed the 7 best home inventions for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Xiaomi MIJIA Smart Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The Xiaomi MIJIA Smart Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a versatile and modern appliance designed for both convenience and efficiency, fitting well into home and office environments. With a 3L capacity and 2075 W power, it delivers rapid heating and cooling, offering a quick and easy solution for users needing instant hot or cold water. This portable water dispenser doubles as an electric kettle, making it ideal for preparing beverages like tea, coffee, or simply accessing purified drinking water. The device's smart features enhance its functionality, allowing for more precise temperature control and convenient operation through a connected app or buttons. It provides the flexibility to switch between hot and cold water modes effortlessly, catering to different needs throughout the day. The compact design also makes it suitable for smaller spaces, and its portable water pump feature allows it to be used with bottled water, adding convenience for those on the go or in areas where tap water is not ideal. Product 2. Product name: Luna S2G Tuya Wi-Fi Curtain Motor Track. The Luna S2G Tuya Wi-Fi Curtain Motor Track is a smart home device designed to automate curtain movement, adding a modern touch to home interior automation. Compatible with Tuya Smart, it integrates seamlessly into a smart home ecosystem, allowing users to control curtains remotely via a smartphone app, or using voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. This makes it a convenient solution for controlling light and privacy without manual intervention. The device features a customizable track, which can be adjusted to fit different window sizes and types, ensuring a smooth and quiet curtain movement. With the ability to schedule curtain operation and support for multiple curtain positions, it provides flexibility and precision in controlling home environments. Additionally, it operates through Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for complicated wiring, and supports integration with other Tuya-powered smart devices, making it a versatile addition to smart home setups. This is particularly relevant for users interested in home automation solutions, complementing the interests expressed in devices like Reolink home security systems and smart thermostats such as the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar. Product 3. Product name: Avato Wi-Fi Smart Roller Blinds Motor. The Avato Wi-Fi Smart Roller Blinds Motor is a modern, automated solution for controlling roller blinds in smart homes. Powered by Tuya Wi-Fi, this electric shutter curtain motor integrates seamlessly with popular smart home ecosystems, offering remote and voice control functionality. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, it allows users to adjust their blinds effortlessly using voice commands or through a smartphone app, providing both convenience and hands-free operation. Key features include: Wi-Fi connectivity, easily connects to home networks without the need for additional hubs or bridges, offering straightforward integration with existing smart systems. App control: using the Tuya or Smart Life apps, users can control their blinds remotely, set schedules, or automate opening and closing based on routines or conditions like sunrise and sunset. Voice control: works with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it simple to operate using spoken commands, perfect for smart homes with voice-activated systems. Customizable settings: users can tailor settings for individual rooms or blinds, adjust speeds, and control multiple blinds simultaneously for synchronized operation. Product 4. Product name: 1500 cubic meters Bluetooth Diffuser. The 1500 cubic meters Bluetooth Diffuser is a high-capacity, electric aroma diffuser designed for large spaces such as homes, offices, or commercial environments. It offers a 500 ml tank capacity and operates via Bluetooth for convenient control. This diffuser is optimized to cover areas of up to 1500 cubic meters, making it ideal for scenting large rooms or integrating into vac systems to evenly distribute fragrance throughout the space. It is compatible with essential oils and various home fragrances, providing a fresh and pleasant atmosphere with automated scent diffusion. The device is also designed for long-lasting performance, as the large capacity allows for extended operation without the need for frequent refills. This makes it a practical and luxurious addition to any environment aiming for continuous air freshness. Product 5. Product name: Ultrasonic Cleaner. An ultrasonic cleaner is a powerful cleaning device that uses high-frequency sound waves, ultrasound, to agitate a liquid, which in turn removes contaminants from objects immersed in the liquid. These cleaners are commonly used in both professional and home settings for thorough cleaning of various items like jewelry, medical instruments, automotive parts, electronics, and more. The cleaning process works by generating tiny cavitation bubbles in the liquid, which implode to loosen dirt, grease, and other particles without damaging delicate surfaces. The ultrasonic cleaner ultrasound cleaning machine with heated washing, available in 6L and 10L capacities, is designed for both professional and commercial use. The addition of a heated washing feature enhances its cleaning efficiency, particularly for items with stubborn grime or oil-based contaminants. Heating the liquid allows for more effective breakdown of these substances, improving the overall cleaning performance. The machine is suitable for applications ranging from household use, cleaning jewelry, glasses, etc., to industrial or commercial settings, cleaning mechanical parts, tools, and laboratory equipment. Product 6. Product name: MOES Tuya ZigBee Smart Sliding Window Pusher. The MOES Tuya ZigBee Smart Sliding Window Pusher is an innovative device designed to automate the opening and closing of sliding windows. It integrates seamlessly with smart home ecosystems, offering users greater control and convenience in managing their home environment. This automatic window pusher features ZigBee connectivity, allowing it to be controlled via the Tuya Smart app. The app offers remote control, enabling users to open or close windows even when they are away from home. The device also supports voice commands through popular smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home, adding hands-free convenience. One of the standout features is its solar charging capability, which ensures that the device remains powered without needing frequent battery replacements or manual charging. This makes it a sustainable option for smart home enthusiasts. The MOES Tuya ZigBee Smart Sliding Window Pusher is ideal for optimizing airflow, enhancing energy efficiency, or providing easy window access in hard-to-reach places. Product 7. Product name: Portable Bed Fan Air Conditioner. The Portable Bed Fan Air Conditioner is a versatile and compact cooling solution designed for personal use in various environments like the home, office, or while working at a computer desk. This particular model comes equipped with a 5000 mAh USB rechargeable battery, making it a convenient and portable option for those who need cooling without being tethered to a power outlet. Its design allows it to be hung on a screen or attached to a monitor for directed airflow, providing cooling directly where needed. This fan features multiple speed settings to adjust the airflow intensity, making it ideal for use while sleeping, working, or relaxing. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance, whether it's used in a bedroom as a bed fan or on a desk for office tasks. The USB charging capability adds further convenience, allowing it to be charged through a variety of devices like power banks or computer USB ports, similar to the wireless technology seen in devices like the Kospit Tank T3 Ultra GPS smartwatch or the Ligay 2-in-1 TWS earphones smartwatch that also rely on portability and rechargeable batteries.